So in question number 3, we are given that set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Set A is given 1, 2, 3, 5. Elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B. Elements of set B are 4, 5, 6. 4, 6, 9. Also we are given that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Define relation R from set A to B. Define relation R from A to B. That is our relation. And description of relation is, relation R is order pair xy such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between these two order pair x and y is odd. Difference between the order pair x and y is odd. And first element belongs to set A, and second element belongs to set B. You have to write this R, relation R, in roster form. Write down the relation R in roster form. That is your question. So now difference between, you have to consider the difference subtraction of larger number minus smaller number. उसको हम difference बोलते हैं, है ना. subtraction नहीं है लेकिन ये difference है. तो difference के लिए आपको larger number में से smaller number आपको subtract करना है. तो वो difference कितना होना चाहिए दोनों एलिमेंट के बीच में? The difference is odd number. The difference between two elements of this set A and set B must be odd number. So that will be the relationship between set A and set B. You have to write this relation R in roster form. We have discussed yesterday our relation R can be represented in 3 ways. How many ways? 3 ways are there. First one is set builder form, second one is roster form, and third one is arrow diagram. So here you have to represent our relation R in roster form. That means you have to make the list of this order pair only. Difference between element x and y is odd. So let's start writing this R. The relation R. First we start with the element 1. So if you are taking element 1, the difference of this element 1 with the element of set B must be odd. So consider 1 and 4. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. So difference is odd. So we can take 1, 4. Difference must be 2 element odd. So 4 minus 1, 3. लार्जर में से आपको स्मॉलर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. वो डिफरेंस आपका किसका होना चाहिए? ओड होना चाहिए. नाउ सेकंड ऑर्डर पेयर वी कैन टेक 1 and 6. So 1, 6, difference is 5, which is odd. Then we can take 1 and 9. So if you are taking 1 and 9, the difference is 9 minus 1, 8. So difference is even. So not satisfies our condition. So we can't take this 1, 9. You have to start with the 2. We can take 2, 4. No, difference is even. Then 2, 6. 2, 9. Yes, difference is odd. Then we have to start with 3. 3, 4. So difference is odd. 3, 6. Again difference is odd. 6 minus 3, larger number minus smaller number. 3, 9. Difference is 6, which is even number. So we can't take this 3, 9. Then we have to consider 5 and 4. 5, 4. Difference is 1, which is odd. 5, 6. Difference is odd. And 5, 9. Difference is 4, which is even number. So these are all the order pair. Done. You have to write this order pair in roster form only. You can also represent by arrow diagram, but which is not asked. So here again we can find domain, range, and codomain of this relation, which is not asked in question, but for our practice we are writing the domain, range, and codomain. So what is the domain of R? Domain of R. So domain of R is nothing but the set of all the first element of order pair. So first elements are 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. We are writing set, so we can't repeat the elements. So it's a 1, then 2, 3, and 5. So this is the domain of relation R. We can also write the range of R. Set of all the second elements 4, 6, 9 elements must not be repeated. So it's a 4, 6, 9 is the range of relation. We can also write the codomain. Codomain of R. So what is the codomain? That is the set on which our relation is defined. So here relation is defined on this second set B. So this one is known as our codomain, which is set B. Clear, students? So this is your question number 3. Now next one is question number 4. So for question number 4, shows the relationship between set P and set Q. Write the relation. Figure is given, arrow diagram given. Question number 3, our relation is given in terms of set builder form. Now in question number 4, our relation is given in terms of arrow diagram. So this is one set P, and elements of set P are 5, 6, and 7. Relationship between set P and set Q is given. So this is set Q. Its elements are 3, 4, and 5. And the arrow diagram, 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to this 4, 7 is related to 5. This is given. So this diagram shows the relationship between set P and set Q. Write this relation in set builder form. You have to write the relation in set builder form. So from this diagram we can say that this is relation R from set P to set Q. And for set builder form we require two things, which and whom. किसके बीच में रिलेशन है और क्या रिलेशन है. तो किसके बीच में रिलेशन है? सेट P and set Q. Now you have to describe the relation. क्या रिलेशन है? So here we can say that 5 and 3. So this is first element, this is second element. So first element is greater than this second element by 2. Here same. So we can say that first element is greater than by second element by 2. So relation R is nothing but the order pair xy such that our first element x is 2 greater than first element. And I put x equal to 5 here and this 3 equal to here. So 3 plus y equal to 3 here. So it's a 3 plus 2 5. So this is our first element. So this is the relation. You have to mention the condition. Condition is every x first element must belong to set P, and every second element of order pair must belong to set Q. So this is the first. You have to write the relation in set builder form. So this is the set builder form of this given relation. Second one, हाँ बोलो. एक्स और वाई नेचुरल नंबर ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पर नहीं लिखना है. अगर आप लिखना चाहते हो तो लिख सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पर कंडीशन में ऐसा कुछ पहले से दिया हुआ है, इसको ही हम लिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं आएगा, है ना. सो रोस्टर फॉर्म, यू टू राइट दिस एरो डायग्राम रिप्रेजेंटेशन इनटू रोस्टर फॉर्म, है ना. सो आर इक्वल टू ऑर्डर पेयर 5, 5, 3. Second one is 6, 4. Third one is 7, 5. We are getting 3 order pairs, है ना. 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. This is our roster form. Done. What is the domain and range? You have to find the domain and range. So domain of R यहाँ पर दिख रहा है 5, 6, 7. Range 3, 4, 5. Codomain. What is the codomain? Set Q 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now question number 5. Question number 5, in which we are given, let set A equal to 1 2 3 4 and 6, है ना. 5 नहीं दिया है, जल्दबाजी में हम क्या करते हैं, 5 भी लिखते हैं. इट्स अ 1 2 3 4 एंड 6. 5 इज मिसिंग, है ना, मिसलिनियस है. देखो 1 2 3 4 6. आर बी द रिलेशन ऑन सेट ए. देखो रिलेशन ऑन सेट ए, मैंने आपको बताया था रिलेशन ऑन सेट ए. नॉर्मली हमें क्या दिया होता है, रिलेशन आर फ्रॉम सेट ए टू सेट बी, है ना, रिलेशन आर फ्रॉम सेट पी टू सेट क्यू, बट हियर वी आर गिवन रिलेशन ऑन ए. So what is the meaning of that relation on A? Relation on set A is nothing but the relation R from set A to set A. That is known as relation R on set A, which is nothing but the relation on A. रिलेशन ऑन ए मतलब ए का ए के साथ रिलेशन, है ना. दो मैंने आपको बताया था, फॉर रिलेशन वी रिक्वायर टू क्वांटिटीज. तो कोई व्यक्ति का खुद के साथ भी रिलेशन हो सकता है ना, खुद गब्बर, तो ये खुद गब्बर वाला केस है. रिलेशन ऑन ए, that is relation R from set A to set A. To answer question 5, so set A is there, R be the relation on set A, and which is given by, description is also given. So relation R is nothing but the set of order pair AB, है ना. एक्स वाई दिया करते थे, अभी ए बी दे दिया. सो सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर ए बी such that AB belongs to first element and second element, both will belong to set A. AB belongs to A, and B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Exactly divisible by A, है ना. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सॉरी सेकंड एलिमेंट B is exactly divisible by A. So what is the meaning of exactly divisible? After long division remainder must be 0. तो इसको हम ऐसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं, सपोज you have to consider 1, first element 1. So we have to check 1 must be divided by which numbers of this A. So we are taking the two possibilities, B and A. For this B, if we are taking 1, so that 1 is exactly divisible by which number? So it's a 1. Clear? So we can take A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So for our set, first order pair is 1, 1. So 1 is exactly divisible by 1. Now we are considering the second element. Suppose we are taking B equal to 2. So here you have to consider this 2 is exactly divisible by which two numbers of this set A. So this 2 can be exactly divisible by 1, है ना. 1 can also exactly divide 2, and 2 can also exactly divide 2. So for this one we are getting two cases, 1 2 and 2 2. Check this. 2 is exactly divisible by 1. Yes. 2 is exactly divisible by 2. So 2 2. Clear? Then we will consider third element of this for this B. So now you have to consider 3 is exactly divisible by which numbers of this A? So only 1. So next order pair is 1 3. Then we are considering the 4. 4 is exactly divisible by which numbers of the set A? So 4 can be exactly divisible by 1. 4 can also exactly divisible by 2, and 4 is also exactly divisible by 4 also. So now we are getting three order pairs, 1 4 2 4 4 4. 1 4 2 4 4 4. Clear? Then we will consider 6. Now for 6 is exactly divisible by which numbers? 1 is also exactly divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 3, and it is also exactly divisible by 6. So for this 6 we are getting four ordered pairs, 1 6 2 6 3 6 and 6 6. It's a 1 6 2 6, 3 6 and 6 6. So these are the all possible order pairs. Again, this 3 can be divided by this 3, so it's a 3 3. So these are the all relation, all order pair, all possible order pair which satisfies our condition. B is exactly divisible by A. Clear, students? Thank you. Now next question is question number 6. Question number 6. So what we are given in question number 6? Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by. Domain range find करना है. Relation R is given. So here relation R is R equal to order pair is x plus 5, x plus 5, where x belongs to, condition क्या है, x belongs to set 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. You have to consider the value of this first element of order pair from this given set. In condition we are given set and the second element will be x plus 5. So these are the order pair of this relation. Done? So for that relation, first you have to find the roster form. After finding roster form, you have to find domain, range and codomain. So here condition is x plus 5. So start writing relation R. First, this x, the values of x must belong to the set 0 1 2 3 4 5. So first we are taking x equal to 0. So if we are taking x equal to 0, second element of order pair will be 0 plus 5. So it's a 5. Then you have to consider for a second element of this set. You can take x equal to 1. So if you are taking x equal to 1, second order pair is a second element of order pair is 6. Then take x equal to 2. It's a 7. 3, it will be 8. For 4, it will be 9. And for 5, it will be 10. So this is the relation. Now for this relation you have to write the domain of R, set of all the first elements 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, domain. Now range of R, set of second elements 5 6 7 8 9 10, 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now tell me what is codomain. So here relation R on which set is not defined. So here we can't define our codomain. You can assume codomain can be this range, but codomain is not defined. So we can't write down the codomain. You can assume codomain can be this range, but it is not given. And that's why it is not asked in a question. And a question में codomain है ही नहीं. Clear? Now question number 7. Please mute your mic. Question number 7. Write the relation R. In which order pair is x and x cube, where x is prime number. Less than 10. So prime numbers less than 10, that is the condition. And the relation, the order pairs are given in which first order pair is number itself and the second element of that order pair is cube of that prime number. So you have to write the order pair. So relation R is, you have to take x is the prime number less than 10. So which are the prime numbers less than 10? So they are 2 3 5 7, है ना. 11 साइंस में आ गए, अभी प्राइम नंबर तो आना चाहिए. So here we can take x equal to 2. So its cube is 2 cube 8. Second number is 3. 3 cube is 27. 5 is there. 5 cube is 125. 7 and 7 cube is 343. Very good. So this is our relation R, and for this one also we are defining domain and range. So what is the domain? 2 3 5 2 3 5 7. Now what is range? 343. What is codomain? Here we can't define codomain. Assume करना हो तो क्या assume करेंगे? Set B is the codomain. Clear? Now question number 8. Question number 8. We are given that set A equal to XYZ. Set A equal to XYZ. 3 elements are there. And set B equal to 2 elements. 1 and 2 is there. Find the number of relations from set A to B. है ना? Number of relations from A to B. मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला बताया था, किसी को याद हो तो बताओ. Number of elements, हाँ, yes. Number of elements in set A, suppose M equal to 3. मैंने आपको सिखाया था, उसमें मैंने P लिया था. Number of elements in set B, suppose they are N, so which is equal to 2. So what is number of elements in cross product of these two elements? It will be Mn. So number of elements in Cartesian cross product of these two set will be 6. So what is the relation? Relation is the subset of Cartesian cross product. So number of possible subsets are, so number of possible subset of A cross B is nothing but the number of possible relations. That will be equal to 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 जो भी आएगा वो आपका खुद का आंसर होगा. फाइंड करके देना आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. लास्ट क्वेश्चन 54. Very good. Now relation R be the relation on Z. Relation R on Z. So that is relation R on Z. है ना? Z के ऊपर relation R on Z. अभी पहले आया था relation R on set A. So it's a relation R from set A to A. So here relation R on Z. So relation R from Z to Z. Done? So this is relation R on Z defined as R equal to order pair AB such that AB belongs to Z. And A minus B is an integer. So this is relation. Find the domain and range. आपको domain and range find करनी है. So here, what is Z? Yes, Z is the integer. And how many integers are there? Infinite integers are there. Done? So here condition is you have to define relation R in which order pair AB is there, and they must satisfy this condition. The difference of that two number is an integer. So here possibilities for this first element, infinite possibilities are there? Yes or no? Infinite possibilities for this first element. We can take this first element from Z. So infinite possibilities are there. And for this second element, we are also infinite possibilities. So we are getting the infinite ordered pairs for this condition A and B. Because किसी भी integer का integer के साथ जो difference होगा कैसा आएगा? Difference of integer, है ना? Integer minus integer करो कोई भी integer का. That will be always be integer. So infinite ordered pairs are there. Done. So relation R will be the इनफाइनाइट सेट्स, सो वी कांट राइट इस रोस्टर फॉर्म लिख नहीं पाएंगे, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, है ना, सेट ए इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, तो कहाँ हम लिखेंगे उसका। तो सिमिलरली हियर इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, so we can't write this set R in our roster form, it will be always in this set builder form. Here we can say that this relation R will be the infinite set. Done. So what is R? R is the infinite set of order pair. इनफाइनाइट सेट होगा, उसके अंदर क्या होगी, ऑर्डर पेयर होगी, और ऑर्डर पेयर कितनी होगी, इनफाइनाइट होगी. तो दिस इज अवर सेट R. For this we have to define domain. So tell me what is the domain? डोमेन क्या होगी इसमें? वेरी गुड, इंटीजर ही होगी, और इसकी जो रेंज आएगी इंटीजर भी होगी, और इसका जो कोडोमेन होगा, व्हाट इज द कोडोमेन? कोडोमेन विल बी इंटीजर. Clear? So this is the answer of your